She's got shiny wings and twinkly toes, living in the woods where the unicorns go. Storybooks and a magic wand, her best friend Foster the blue dragon. It's Fairy Sarah and friends. The magic never ends.
Hello, my lovely friends. Oh, it's nice to see you. Today, we are going to make something beautiful. One of my favourite things to do. Today, we are going to make something that can fly. Can you guess what that might be? What can fly in the sky? Apart from me. Have you had a guess? Oh, what did you say? Ooh, lots of lovely ideas, well done. Today, we are going to make a butterfly using things from nature, like leaves, twigs, and flowers. The first thing we need to do is draw our butterfly, so we know how many leaves, twigs, and flowers to get. With a pen or pencil and a bit of paper, draw the body. It looks a bit like a sausage. The antenna. And the wings. Your butterfly can be huge and fill the page, or it can be teeny tiny. It's up to you. Now it's time to head out into nature and get our bits and bobs. Remember to only take a few bits and leave plenty for all the birds, animals and insects. Here's what I collected. Time to go home and make my butterfly. You can stick them down with glue or just place them. I like to play around and change them, and then when I find a design I like, I stick them down. If you make one too, do send me your picture. The email to send them is below. Tell your grown-up. Send your pictures to this address. I can't wait to see them. Right, I'm off. Sending lots and lots of love. And I hope I get to see you again soon. Bye-bye.
The magic never